Feature/service blob storage Azure Files Queue Storage Table Storage Data Type Unstructured, Media, Docs, Logs, File Shares, SMB/NFS, Messages/Task Structured NoSQL, Key Value, Best for Images, Videos, Backups, Big Files Shared Folders for VMs/apps Async Job Processing, Microservices Messaging Fast Lookup Data, IoT. Metadata max size support up to PB scale 5 TB per file share millions of messages billions of rows access protocol HTTP/HTTPS SMB 3.0 NFS 4.1 HTTP/HTTPS HTTP/HTTPS performance very high for large objects best for shared file access fast message delivery extremely fast queries PKJRK Authentication keys, SAS, Azure AD, Managed Identity keys, SAS, ADDS, Azure ADDS keys, SAS, Azure AD keys, SAS, Azure AD redundancy support LRS, ZRS, GRS, GZRS LRS, ZRS, GRS, GZRS LRS, GRS LRS, GRS querying no direct query, used for storage. Authentication keys, SAS, Azure AD, Managed Identity keys, SAS, ADDS, Azure ADDS keys, SAS, Azure AD keys, SAS, Azure AD redundancy support LRS, ZRS, GRS, GZRS LRS, ZRS, GRS, GZRS LRS, GRS LRS, GRS querying no direct query, used for storage, streaming no query, acts like file system no query. FIFO behavior query using partition key JAW Roki integration CDN, functions, event grid, static web VM mounts, on-prem sync functions, background workers .NET apps, IoT hub, functions pricing tiers hot, cool, archive standard, premium standard only real world example YouTube video store, app logs, DB backup team shared drive, app upload folder task queue between API and worker user profiles, device data, configs pros scales huge, best for media true file sharing reliable messaging pipeline cheap. Fast structured data cons no direct search/query file share limit cost can grow message size limit, 64 kilobytes per message, no complex joins or relational data receipt quick summary blob app friendly object storage for big files/media files cloud-based shared file system, mountable, Queue messaging pipeline to decouple services table NoSQL DB for super fast lookups. Since you like working with .NET Core architecture, here is a small tip. In real apps, many teams use Blob to store files, Queue to send a processing task table to save metadata/results Azure Files if multiple servers need shared access. Generate IMG.